the given angles are angle 4 and angle 7. Step 1. What is the relationship of angle 4 and angle 7? Peralta. Okay, same side interior angles. And what can you say about the measurement of same side interior? Mas bang? They are supplementary. When we say supplementary, the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. Meaning, anak, ipa-plus natin yan. The measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 7 is equal to 180 degrees. And then, substitute na natin yung measurement. Ano po yung binigay na measurement kay angle 4? We have 2x plus 12. O plus the measure of angle 7. 6x plus 104 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Then after that, kung meron na tayong equation, step number 3, simplify. How to simplify? Just combine the like terms. So what are the like terms? 2x and 6x. What will be the answer? 2x plus 6x. 2 plus 6, okay, x. Then copy the variable x. Then simplify muna natin ito, anak, bago natin i-transpose sa right side. 12 plus 104. 116, then bring down 180 degrees. And then what are the like terms again? 116 and 180. Sino pang ililipat? 116 going to the, what will be the sign? Magiging negative na po. 180 degree minus 116 degree. 0 minus 6 cannot be. So borrow 1. 10 minus 6. 4. Ganito, naging 7 na po siya. Tama po ba? 7 minus 1. 6. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So 64. Then after that, divide both sides by 8. What is the value of x? 64 divided by 8. Okay, the answer is 8. After getting the value of x, makukuha na po ba natin yung mga measurement na missing angle? Yes, what we're going to do? Substitute the value of x. Okay, to find the measure of angle 4. So again, what is the value of x? 8. Okay. So to find the measure of angle 4, just change x as 8. Or 2 times 8. 16 plus 12. 28. And that is the exact measurement of angle 4. 28 degrees. Okay, if this is 28, kailangan si angle 7, pag nakuha natin yung answer, at pinag-plus natin kay 4, anong makukuha dapat? 180 degrees. O, check natin. 6 times 8. 48. 48 plus 104. 152. And that is the measure of angle 7. 152. Check natin, anak. Again, angle 4 and angle 7 are supplementary. Check natin. Dapat pag pinag-plus to, 180 sagot. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 5, 8. Then bring down 1. 180 ang nakuha natin. Next, get the exact measure of angle 1. What do you think is the exact measure of angle 1? Ano na po yung mga nakuha natin? Kay angle 4 at kay angle? Meron po bang relationship si 1 at 7? Wala po. Si 1 at 4? Yes, they are vertical angles. And what can you say about the measurement? Now, if angle 4 measures 28 degree, angle 1 is also, very good, 28 degrees. And what is the measure of angle 3? Identify the relationship of angle 3 and angle 7. Corresponding angles. 3 and 7, anak. 3 and 7. They are corresponding. And what is the measure? Now, if the measure of angle 7 is 152, angle 4 is also 152 degrees.